हेलो एंड वेलकम टू मूवी टॉकीज। मैं हूँ विकी, मेरे साथ है सागर फ्रॉम बॉलीवुड मेरी जान। ही हैज़ अ पेज ऑन इंस्टाग्राम, ज़रूर फॉलो कीजिएगा। एंड टुडे आवर गेस्ट इज अमित, who is the owner of Elevation Fitness. Amit, lovely to have you on our show, yeah?
Thank you very much for having me across.
So I have known Amit for a really long time. We have been gym buddies. We have played a lot of cricket together, worked out a lot, and he's again one of those guys who followed his passion and has opened up his own facility called Elevation Fitness, and he's doing really well. I follow him on Instagram too. Got a lot of people where he's changing lives, like because fitness, I think for him and even for myself is a lot to do with not with more of showing off, but a lot to do de-stress yourself, and also it just helps you feel good about yourself, right?
So yeah, I couldn't agree more with Sagar. And fitness is something that has been in our fitness has been a part of our life from a long time. Although that I've been a sports person, throughout my life, but that took a downturn after a certain age, and fitness took an upturn. And we saw that as an opportunity, and we thought that why not convert passion into reality when we sort of been liking and enjoying the fitness industry so much.
तो यार अमित, कितने लोग तेरे पास आते हैं और बोलते हैं कि यार मेरे को तो 2 महीने में सलमान खान जैसी बॉडी चाहिए, या ऋतिक जैसे सिक्स पैक चाहिए, या अभी करंटली टाइगर श्रॉफ अपने सिक्स पैक है वैसे कैसे मेंटेन करते हैं, हम भी डाइटिंग करते हैं पर हमारा तो बनते ही नहीं है। आई मीन व्हाट काइंड ऑफ एक्सपेक्टेशन दीस गाइस हैव, बिकॉज बॉलीवुड अभी फिटनेस के साथ मर्ज हो चुका है, राइट? पहले जैसे नहीं है,
Correct.
पहले जैसे एक्टर्स और अभी के एक्टर्स में बहुत फर्क है, फिजिकलिटी प्लेज अ बिग रोल। तो कितने लोग
Right.
आते हैं? आई एम श्योर लड़कियां आती होंगी ना?
नहीं, ऐसे तो बहुत है यार. They come with unrealistic expectations, to be honest, and they keep saying, यार, can I what the first question is कि how much time is it going to take me to transform myself, and can I be like so and so actor, can I be like so and so actor? But the reality is that now if you've taken an X amount of years to sort of put yourself in that state, you can't expect कि 3 महीने में 6 महीने में your body is going to take an entire change. Aesthetically you're going to become like Disha Patani, or aesthetically you're going to become like Hrithik Roshan. No, that's certainly not possible, and you have to put in the work. And once you're ready to put the work, I always believe in the fact that if result is only a byproduct of the effort that you put in. So unless and until you're very constant about the effort, result किधर नहीं गया आएगा. But हाँ, people do come across with these unrealistic expectations कि यार मेरे को ये सब करना है within the next span of 3 or 6 months, because there are a lot of actors like Amir or Ritik. They'll post these videos about fat to fit transformations, and उन लोग ने दिखाया, for example, Dangal, what Amir Khan did in a span of 6 months. But they forget the fact that that's their lifestyle. That's what they do for a living. And for us, it's very different. People are working, and the only time that they can dedicate to the gym is by going an hour, not more than that. So they don't have someone giving nutrition in their plate. They don't have someone, giving the supplements in their plate and all these kind of things. And hence, just by working out 1 hour a day, it is good. It is very good. It is something is better than nothing. But at the end of the day, by working out 1 hour a day, and not being so religious with your meals, you can't expect that within the next 3 or 6 months also you will get that kind of results that these Bollywood actors are actually getting.
ये सारे एक्टर्स जो है, दे हैव स्टार्टेड ओपनिंग अप जिम्स. सलमान का जिम है, देन ऋतिक का जिम है, and all these actors are into it now. So what is that they teach and other gyms don't? What is that special thing that they do?
I don't think they're teaching any different, to be honest. And if you go to any gym for that matter, whether it's in Dubai, it's all the same. But it's just that you need to be in the hands of a right person to coach you. People, you could go to any gym for that matter, but unless and until I believe that you're not in the hand of a right person, this is like a paisa making machine. They might just keep guiding you the wrong thing just so that your renewal keeps coming through and banda ja raha hai. But to answer your question, I don't think so really ki they're teaching any different. Fitness is not something, it's a very complex subject or something like that. Google is the dictionary today. कोई भी any per Tom, Dick and Harry can go Google किया and सब कुछ पता चल जाएगा.
Correct.
So any person can become a personal trainer or a fitness instructor, but you just need to be in the hands of a most passionate trainer, person who understands or sort of takes his goal as your goal and is willing to transform you willingly.
So I will ask you a very dark question, okay, which you have conveniently avoided in my last question. ऑल
हाँ
दीज बॉलीवुड एक्टर्स जो ट्रांसफॉर्म करते हैं अपने आप को, मेजॉरिटी
हाँ
लोग क्या बोलते हैं, अरे यार इस बंदे ने तो डेफिनेटली गियर लिया है, गियर इन अदर वर्ड्स मीन स्टेरॉइड लिया है, हो ही नहीं
हाँ
सकता ये 50 साल 60 साल का बंदा 6 हफ्ते में ट्रांसफॉर्म हो गया, नहीं हो सकता है।
हम्म
यू नो द राहुल
हम्म
भट्ट्स एंड द अदर बिग ट्रेनर्स इन बॉलीवुड जो आते हैं, दे आर
हम्म
ऑल ऑन गियर, और यार ये आमिर ऐसा हो गया, ऋतिक को स्लिप डिस्क के बाद भी भाई ने वॉर में ऐसी बॉडी बना दी, सो व्हाट, मसल मेमोरी हम सबको है, you know, people
हम्म
who are training for 20 years have muscle memory. So what
हम्म
is your take on this? I'm sure you must be getting a lot of people coming to यार अमित यार कुछ भी दे दे भाई, मेरे को तो शादी कर रहा हूँ या बीच बॉडी बनानी है, दे दे यार 3 महीने में बॉडी बन जाएगी, ये दे दे वो दे दे, कुछ भी कर दे, मेरे को ऋतिक जैसा दिखना है अपनी शादी में, या शाहिद कपूर जैसे डांस करना है, यू नो सब 6 पैक 8 पैक,
हाँ
I'm sure ये
हाँ
आता है, राइट, ऐसे क्वेश्चंस।
See, I'm a firm believer of keeping it as natural as possible,
करेक्ट।
and obviously these guys must be taking it, which is an unavoidable fact because they have to, you know, they have to make a certain presence on the screen. However, you be in the most natural state, it'll stay with you for lifelong. Now, you know, one of the most famous athlete who also died, Rich Piana. अगर लोग उसके बारे में जानते हैं, he made a public announcement saying that he's the only actually athlete who made a public announcement saying that, you know, I generally take it, but if you want to stay longer and healthier, stay as natural as possible. So जब भी मुझसे ये कोई पूछता है यार दे दे and everything, I was like, boss, this is not what I promote. And if you want to sort of train with me, then let's go through the natural process rather than going through a shortcut process.
And you know, body building की बात करें, so there's one celebrity who is an example in the film industry, which is Salman Khan. वो ओ जाने जाना में shirtless आके he मतलब you know blew everyone from there.
हाँ
And then he had said once that you know कि body जो है वो gym में नहीं बनती है, body gym के बाहर बनती है in terms of disciplines and you know what kind of meals you eat and how much you agree on that.
See, I obviously agree with his statement, but and abs are made in the kitchen because 70% is your diet and 30% is workout. But unless and until आप workout नहीं करोगे, आपको वो body नहीं बन सकती. Alright, you can't just think कि मैं एक crash diet कर लूंगा and मेरी body बन जाएगी. नहीं, you have to go and you know screw your case up in the gym in order to ensure that you're aesthetically seeing a result that you want to see. वरना नहीं होएगी. It's as simple as that. And I'm sure Sagar would agree with me on that. Yeah. Because you know he's also been training and he's been lifting weights for the longest of times. जितना भी diet कर लो, which is a good thing, because अगर आप diet नहीं करोगे तो आपको वो body नहीं मिल सकती है at the end of the day also. But workout is equally important.
So, like we were saying, all me and Vicky were also discussing. Remember Vicky कि यार ये Bollywood मेरी जान और Bollywood in general पे हम क्यों fitness को ला रहे थे, because अभी trend change हो गया, right? अगर हम पहले वाले actors देखें, जितेंद्र, धर्मेंद्र, even if he was called He-Man, उसकी body aesthetic नहीं थी. Then you have Amitabh Bachchan, Shatrughan Sinha. These were all action heroes. You know, they used to do so much action, but they never managed to have a body what today's action hero have, right? So the role of a trainer, role of nutrition, even if you say role of steroids and everything has become very blatant in this industry. Do you, Amit, see this trend getting even more fierce? Because अभी तो ऐसा है कि इंडस्ट्री में घुसने के पहले ही वो जो बंदा घुस रहा है उसको पहले बॉडी होनी मांगती है, एक्टिंग आए ना बॉडी जरूर होनी चाहिए.
I would agree to you on that, Sagar, because at the end of the day, you know, जो दिखता है वो बिकता है. That's what the market has become. Now, if I'm a personal trainer in this industry and if I'm receiving any client, वो अगर देखेगा कि मैं पेट फुला हुआ इंसान हूँ, वो मुझसे आके क्यों ट्रेनिंग लेगा? वो बोलेगा इसको तो कुछ आता ही नहीं है, तो क्यों इसके साथ में ट्रेनिंग करूँ? अगर ये अपने ऊपर मेहनत करने को नहीं तैयार है तो ये मेरे पर भी मेहनत नहीं करेगा. Now, even on screen, you know, if you want to make a presence, unless and until हम लोग क्यों follow करते हैं? You know, हम जब भी कोई, you know, as consumers, when we look at a certain actor on screen, बोला यार इसकी body क्या है? Hence, it becomes very important for that actor to have a certain physique to make a physical appearance of himself on the big screen, and that's what will, you know, capture his market, capture his audience. Why do we follow Hrithik? Because of his persona. Why do we follow Salman? Because of his persona. What would we follow an Abhishek Bachchan?
Yeah, why not, यार? I can argue.
I mean,
he's good actor, यार. वही यही मेरा क्वेश्चन है गाइस, यही तो मेरा क्वेश्चन है. एंड नाउ दिस इज अ ग्रेट टॉपिक टू टॉक. देयर आर अमेजिंग टैलेंटेड एक्टर्स इन द इंडस्ट्री हु डोंट हैव अ फिजिक. ठीक है, they are not fat but they don't have a physique,
Like
but they're
Nawaz.
great actors, like Nawaz or like your तुम्हारा
Pankaj
Pankaj
Tripathi.
Tripathi, or you know, so many good actors. चलो they're not leading men, we'll talk about leading men. There's so many others like Vikrant Massey जो अभी recently has come in top, you know, is come on. तो you know इतने सारे हैं यार. I mean that's the thing, is body a barometer to become successful? That's a big question mark. Or is it just to be healthy, like you promote natural healthy होना चाहिए, you know,
you need to be exception. Like you need to be an exception like Pankaj Tripathi. You need to be an exceptionist actor to actually make your mark in the industry without having aesthetic pleasing aesthetic look.
Like Irfan
That's
Khan.
what I feel. Yeah, Irfan Khan again, you know.
Yeah,
I
again.
mean, you need to be an exceptional actor to actually beat the audience and be like, यार मेरे पास body नहीं है, फिर भी I can do something.
But star material नहीं बन पाओगे अगर तुम्हारे पास body नहीं है तो. You know that star.
Exactly. I mean, like you look at Pankaj Tripathi, he is a great actor, but is he Salman Khan? You look at Nawazuddin Siddiqui, again a great actor, but is he a Hrithik Roshan? Has he earned that kind of a fame?
No.
You know, no. So you know that's what I feel. And why Abhishek Bachchan? Because of Amitabh. I mean, if let's put it, you know, let's put it out there realistic. If Abhishek Bachchan was not Amitabh's son, would he have earned that kind of a fame in the industry? Probably not.
Yeah, I mean, Abhishek Bachchan was standing with Hrithik Roshan in Dhoom 2, and Hrithik Roshan पूरा exposure खा गया उसको. यहाँ तक कि John Abraham भी खा गया था Dhoom 1 में. यहाँ तक कि आमिर भी खा गया Dhoom 3 में. तो all of these three, उसमें तीनों में common चीज क्या थी? उनकी persona, उनकी body, उनका build, उनका
even Uday Chopra has a good body, लेकिन he couldn't make an impact.
Absolutely, yeah.
Acting नहीं आती थी bro.
True that.
अच्छा, before we wind up, I just want to ask a general question कि 31st में ना बहुत लोग resolution बनाते हैं end of the year कि first Jan से मैं gym जाऊंगा. So is it a great revenue time for you as a gym owner?
It's a great revenue time for a lot of businesses, to be honest. But brutally speaking, our business has grown only on based of word of mouth. So you know whether or not it is a resolution or whatever it is. Thankfully, we've grown our business based on word of mouth. But I'm quite sure, and you know, for a lot of gym industries, a lot of fitness industries, like you know, a lot of gyms out there in Dubai or anywhere across the world, it's highly a revenue making machine. The New Year resolution, because people would make that resolution. People would go to the gym. एक महीना जाएंगे उसके बाद खत्म. That's it.
Right.
वो बंदा वापस 11 महीना ही किधर है नहीं मालूम. फिर वही बंदा वापस से एक रेजोल्यूशन मारेगा, दूसरे जिम में जाएगा, फिर पैसा भरेगा, फिर दूसरे जिम में जाएगा, बोलेगा यार मैं तो सिर्फ पैसे ही बर्बाद करता रहता हूँ.
The fact that we have connected the dots of fitness with Bollywood, and now fitness in so many years, abhi it plays such an important role, not only for the newcomers. इतना pressure current lot पे भी है कि भाई body तो होनी ही है persona बनाने के लिए.
Right.
Rightly stated. Actor तो आपको बनना ही है अच्छा. You are a good actor. और साथ में body हो तो सोने पे सुहागा. तब आप मिलेगा आपको 100 करोड़ और 200 करोड़ की opening. वरना फिर आप वही 10, 20, 30 करोड़ वाले OTT platform वाले actor हो और आप खुश रहो अपनी जिंदगी में and let it perform the way it has to.
Plus you have something to show off on social media as well, na? Some content to show there.
Totally.
Maldives जाके फोटो निकालने में मजा तभी है ना जब 6 पैक हो.
हाँ, वरना नहीं आएगा.
हाँ.
So आपको बॉडी बनानी है तो you know where to go. Elevation Fitness, and Amit is the one who is leading by example. उसके डोले तो देखो यार, mind blowing. We should compliment.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. It was lovely talking to you, Amit, and keep watching Movie Talkies. हर हफ्ते we come up with an episode on Instagram. Stay tuned to Bollywood Meri Jaan.
Yeah.
Cheers, guys. Bye.
Thank you. Thanks, Amit.